This video is intended to aid in basic installation for linear wall units. Please refer to the owner's manual for model-specific information. Lay the parts out on the floor and consult the parts list in the manual, making sure that all pieces are accounted for. Depending on the type of installation and wall material, different tools are used. Check the manual for specific instructions. Select an area on the wall where you want to install the fireplace. Use a tape measure to mark where the fireplace will be when installed. Orientate the mounting bracket so that the hooks are pointing up. Place the bracket in the desired location and mark the locations on the wall that correspond with the anchor points in the bracket. Secure the bottom corner of the bracket with a mounting screw. In this application, the screws are being installed into the framing studs, so only the screws are needed. Consult the manual if installing in a different application. Make sure the bracket is level and install the other 3 screws. Hang the appliance on the mounting bracket. Align the slots on the back of the fireplace with the hooks on the top 2 corners of the bracket and pull down to make sure the hooks are fully engaged. Secure the bracket to the appliance using 2 bolts. Insert the clear and white stones along the inset window edge at the front of the firebox. Place the clear pebbles over the LED lights and fill remaining gaps with white stones. Install the glass front by engaging the tabs on the rear face of the glass with the slots in the top of the fireplace. Once the tabs engage, press firmly against the bottom of the glass panel to engage the bottom connectors. Secure the front to the appliance with 2 screws through the 2 glass front mounting brackets. This unit has manual controls on the side of the fireplace, as well as a remote that can control not only the flame, but accent lighting as well. Consult the manual for specific remote instructions.
We are a family-owned and operated business led by Jason Evans, a Marine veteran with over 20 years of experience in the fireplace and home renovation industries. We serve all of Central Jersey. Give us a call today.